Hello YouTube, Zach the Phoenix Knight here, and today we're unboxing a face mask. And fortunately it's not very much of a box. It's actually a package. Just a packet. It's a bag. It's a bag. But we're gonna see just exactly how this how it looks in person, because I already have a good idea what it looks like here. By the way, leave a comment below. Did y'all ever grow up watching or not watching, reading the Lemony Snicket books? Because I think it was the Austere Academy that that was the point where I learned what this phrase even is, and that it's Latin. Let's have a look-see here. Oh my God. Wow, okay. So this is the mask. And it's double layered as per my order. I'm not going to put it on just because I haven't washed it yet, and yeah, it looks exactly the way I was expecting. It's similar to the OG Dark Shadows font. The feel is, not gonna lie, it's a little concerning how thin this feels. I haven't worn it yet, obviously, but I'll update you once I have, because I'm almost positive that, especially since this isn't one of them masks that's kind of, got a center seam down and it looks kind of cool when it's folded. I'm not sure exactly how this is gonna fit onto my face, but yeah, I'll update you when that happens. And we're back. Not only has this thing been washed, but I've adjusted it to my face, and I even did what's known as the candle test, just to see whether or not this thing actually, regardless of the layers, will be able to prevent me from breathing in the virus, among other things, of course. And yeah, that's how you know. That's how you know it's doing its job, is when my glasses start fogging up. Only they made detachable windshield wipers for that. One thing I'm not too certain on is just exactly how flimsy and floppy it is, but it's not so much now since I readjusted it so that it's a little tighter. That's my only con, apart from the fact that the more I talk, the more it kind of moves with my mouth, and it almost winds up in my mouth, what with just exactly how not flimsy, but just how floppy it is, I guess, because I think the closest thing I can compare it to is old-timey looking masks, like the Secret Garden type deal. You remember they were all wearing masks around Colin? And funnily enough, I was watching Penny Dreadful. There's an episode in season 2 where they're working with people with cholera, right? And they were wearing masks to avoid that. I'm noticing it's a similar issue here. I noticed Timothy Dalton's character, his facial hair was kind of pushing it up, which I have facial hair, so it's kind of a similar problem. I don't really, I don't know. I wouldn't worry about it too much, but definitely recommend this mask. It's a perfect little gag for times like this. Humor's how we cope for some of us, so I definitely would recommend. In fact, I've actually got a similar, I've actually got a hoodie coming in the mail. It's a little similar to the death robes that the Reaper wears, big long hood and everything. I might be able to pair it with that just for the sake of the joke. It's gonna be fun. Maybe you'll see that in the future. Maybe. If you like, please like. Feel free to share obscure little thoughts in the comments below, as well as to share the video itself. Subscribe if you wish to see more. Don't forget to hit the bell if you do. And as always, thank you so very much for watching. I love you all. And, nice fucking model.